What's going on, everyone? Today we're taking a look at this illuminated door sill protector for Tesla Model 3 and Model Y, and for feature and functionality wise, these are the best ones we have ever had in the channel. What set these ones apart are these are magnetic, so you don't need to stick anything. There is no adhesive involved. These are more of a temporary install. You can just slap this on top of your existing door sill protector, or in the rear seat you can just slap this on the top of the metal and this stick, so that it is more of a temporary install for you. You can remove it anytime you want. And these are rechargeable. So there is a USB port in the back where you can use this to recharge the battery. So you don't need no coin cell batteries like in the past. You don't need to align anything on the door itself. We used to have to put a little puck on the door to install this for the alignment purpose, but this doesn't need anything because it has got a light sensor here, so that if it is blocked, it is gonna be off. But then as soon as you open the door, this will start lighting up. So there is that peace of mind as well. So a lot of different benefit, and you get more than 25 different color combo and patterns. So these are really better compared to the ones that we have seen in the past, but I do have some comments on the fit and finish wise. Let me show you what that looks like. Let's get started. This product was sent to us free of charge by Handshow to review in our channel. We have reviewed a lot of product from them. They carry a large inventory of Tesla and other EV accessories. So if we were to go over here and find this product, I'm gonna put a door sill for you. I already have a link down below, but even with the door sill option, as you can see, they have a lot of different types. This is not the only one that they sell. The magnetic induction one, that's the one that we're reviewing here today. This has the Model Y in it. You can choose Model Y or you can choose Model 3. Only up to 2023. The 2024 Model Y does not work for this product. The Highland one does not work, but you can select different ones options here. You can choose the Y logo, you can choose the 3 logo if you're selecting the 3, or you can just select the Tesla logo here. So if you were to go over here, add to cart, right now it says $119. So what we're gonna do is proceed to checkout, and right here on the checkout screen is where we're gonna put Shiba Tesla. This is our affiliate discount code. That helps you take off $26.40, so it becomes $93.59. I'll let you be the judge if it is worth it or not. This is an affiliate code, so we do earn a very small commission at no additional cost to you, which greatly helps us make videos like this in the future. Thank you very much. Let's continue. So the installation is super simple. You just take the magnetic side, align with the right orientation here, and you simply slap it on top of your existing door sill cover. And that's it. That's the entire installation. Because these are magnetic, this holds onto here. But here is what I do have some comments. Because this door sill protector, I don't believe this is magnetic. Only the door, the actual door sill is magnetic. So this sticks really well on the bottom. So if I was to just put it here, this is not going anywhere. This is super strong. But the minute I put this on top of the existing door sill cover, this does slide a little bit. It is holding into its place, but for security purposes, I would probably remove this. You can use an adhesive remover. Maybe you have to heat this up a little bit, use a pry tool to remove it, and then you can slap this in. This has adhesive in the bottom to secure this in place. So a little bit bummer they didn't think about this while they were making this door sill protector. This is longer than the existing one. If you look at it for the size purposes, this is a lot longer. What they should have done is put the magnet and then put a lip around it so that this would literally slap in with no issues. But because they didn't do that, I'm a little bummed that I wish this fit perfectly like a glove. It does not. This is probably fine, but I wouldn't feel too comfortable installing this on top of the existing door sill protector versus just installing this directly on the car. This works really well. Here is a little bit of a close-up for you to show you. Like, this sticks, but not as much as I would want it to, and the size doesn't match. I don't know why. Look at that. They should have just designed it so the size matched. Now, installation of the rear one is exactly the same. You get the rear one, you align it, and you just slap this in here. Here as well, with the fit and finish, this stands up a little bit. So if you look at it, there is some gap, the void here. So this does slide a little bit if you look at it. I mean, it is strong. So the magnet does stick just because this is metallic and this is magnet. So it does hold, and I don't think it's gonna go completely out, but this is a missed opportunity. I think they should have made this a little bit curved, so that this would stick as well. In the past, they would just use an adhesive so that it would stick. I may actually do that. I like the features on this, so you can probably get some double-sided tape and simply press this down with the adhesive and this would work really well. So that's probably a solution, is to just stick this with the double-sided tape. They do not provide it with the packaging, so Hansho probably start sending that for folks who want to actually install this. And you still get access to the port here, so you have to be a little bit creative to charge it while it is installed, but of course removing and charging is super easy. I think, again, the fit-wise, this is a missed opportunity. Now the question is, I have stuck that there. Let's see if it moves when we close and open the door. So closing the door. Okay, well that's a good sign. It's still there and it didn't move. Looks like there is enough clearance between the door and this, even though this is standing up a little bit more. So as far as the function wise, this is the sensor here. So if you close this sensor, it doesn't work because that is mimicking the door being closed. So if you take it out, it starts working. And pressing this button gives you different patterns. So there's a little button right here. You can press on it and you can go through different waterfall. There is blue waterfall, there is purple, there's even white and yellow, and you keep pressing it. You can go to different patterns here. Look at that. This is another one where it just illuminates from left to right. Here's purple of that, yellow, white, there is red. There's a multicolor one. This is my favorite. As you can see, it goes through different colors. Look at that. I love that one. So this is not completely dark, but let me show you what that looks like in action. Look at that. That looks super cool. I really like it. Wow. That was the front. Let's go to the rear one. And as you can see, this rear one, blue activated, super cool. And you can change between different colors just directly by pressing here. So 1, 2. Look at the red flashing, green flashing, blue flashing. There's probably gonna be a multicolor options here. Right there. Super cool. Wow. I really like that, how that, you can see it kind of from far away here as well. And keep in mind, it's not completely dark. It is still flashes. Now it is pitch black. Let's check. Wow, there's some flare, of course, because it's at nighttime. But that looks super cool. That's the back. Let me try the front. Wow, really like that rainbow effect there. Super cool. Now charging this is super easy. You just lift it from the side door sill here. You have a micro USB input. You take a micro USB, plug it in, and it starts charging. So this is charging right now, and I have connected it to the car's USB. That's how simple it is. All right, so here's my verdict. Great product. It works as intended. It has got a lot of color options, light options. It is magnetic, and it doesn't need any battery because this is rechargeable. Those are all pro points for me compared to the previous ones. Having said that, in a pursuit of making this magnetic and rechargeable and giving us all that extra feature, I think Hansho overlooked a little bit on the fundamental design of door sill protectors. They needed to look at what the existing door sill protector looks like on a Model Y and fit that exact design so that it sticks better. Right now, this do slide a little bit. The rear ones have that little bit of a void on the very middle so that it does have a risk of sliding down. Also, the finish choice right here, this is a chrome finish, almost looks very glassy. I want them to offer something different as an option because this finish I'm not a big fan of because they do get scratches, especially because this is on that door sill area where it is prone to get scratches with any material. So I hope that they also consider that and make a different design options as well. So what do you all think about this product? Would you get it for your Tesla Model 3 and Model Y? Your likes, your dislikes, please let me know in the comment section below. If you found today's video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and come back again soon.